So I'm back at the boat and it's hot as hell. It's gotta be 80 degrees out here because it's says fair. It's more than fair. So I brought a lot of stuff here, including someone gave me a packet of Costa Rican coffee. So I'm gonna keep it here so I can make good coffee. I went and bought some new medicine because I was running out. Yep. And and I got a little container here that I'm gonna start putting all these odds and ends that I have in plastic bags and bolts and nuts and all kinds of odds and ends and valves. I've been wanting to do that, and I found this, and I said, well, maybe it'll fit everything. I went and got my tank weld material. I haven't found the holes yet. I haven't stopped looking. And I found this, oh, and I brought some seal for the hatches. I'm gonna put seal all the way around it. It comes in those little rolls. I got the oil for the engines. When it's time to change the oil, I'm gonna have that in the engine compartment. And I brought my little drill because I need that, because I found this railing that I'm gonna attach to my step, and I got the clamps and everything, and I'm gonna tighten it up, and that's gonna be the lady next door told me that if I could do a little railing for the step, because she's on a higher boat and she needs something to balance. And I said, well, I'll do something with a 2x4. But then when I was leaving, I found that on the trash, and I said, who's throwing that away? It's all stainless steel. So I grabbed it immediately, and I'm going to attach it. So I got a full day. I also brought this piece of wood, 2x6, that I'm gonna install under the batteries to raise them up a little bit, keep them off the water. So, and I open up the front hatch, so there's some ventilation, because whoa, it is warm. All right, I'm gonna start separating all this stuff and using my little, I don't think you need to see that, it's boring. All right, okay, later. Okay, so I put some stuff in this one, the small stuff, and everything is more or less sorted out according to, you know, if the screw is a wood screw, goes here, if it's a machine screw, it goes there, and there, and then these are valves, copper, and this is going to go into the I'm gonna keep it on board because it's heavy. I need to have this on board. So this big washer, I don't know if I should put it here. I'm trying to lighten up the load with the stuff that I need. It don't need, you know, I can't carry everything. So this is gonna be, this is pretty neat. It has a little handle and everything. Pretty good. That's gonna go back to the locker. This one, it's even heavier, but it's got the small stuff that I usually need more. And I still got some miscellaneous, like I'm looking at this little packet. What is this? Yeah, these are brooches for the canvas. Oh yeah, you know what? I don't need to carry all that. What's in here? I think it's a switch. Let me see. Okay, I don't need to carry all these hose clamps. I can just have a few here, and the rest go into that box. Let me see what it says. It says water pump impeller. Okay, I think I already have one. Yeah, I bought an extra one, so here it is. So that should be on board. That has to be. I'm going to keep it out of the box because then I can see what it is. So this is the impeller for that engine, that it has a 454 pump. This one has a 350 pump, so this impeller is too big for this one here. And I think I have one there that is a 350. I gotta dig for it. So now on these things, let me see. I like things organized. Okay, 1, 2, let's see how many did I get, because I bought a bunch. Okay. I'm gonna keep the small one. Well, these are about the same, they're 2-inch, I believe. So let's see, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and I'm gonna keep 1, 2, 3, 4, and these go here because they fit. So I'm gonna have 4. I got a small bag. I'm gonna put it on this one. It's a small one. So there we go. Now, let me see here. I think I had another. I got these lights that I want to install. These are light bulbs. And what is this thing? Oh, these are the rotors. Did you put that in the box? Rotors and a through hole. Man, I got some junk in here. That. I got a filter, grease, big clamps. You need that in case something pops. You can go and take care of that. I got a piece of hose down here I don't need. Take that out. Bungee. These things are to repair the chairs. Don't need that. This stuff is going out. This little piece goes somewhere. Gotta find out what it is. Okay, the grease goes there. The filter stays. This doesn't weigh much. This thing, I don't know. Let's see what goes through the big clamps. The lights that I never installed, and I still want to install them. The plug for the air test. The rotors. This tape. This is tape in case you have a leak on a hose. You can wrap it. Tank opener. Lights. I think that here's the other rotor. I think the this is a canvas thing. And what is this? It's a cloth, soft cloth, all for the tank. I can use this. Take it out. And some gaskets. All right, so for now, because if I start taking everything out, I came here to do some work, and look what I'm doing. It just is so hot to get anything done out there. So let me see if I have room. Yeah, I'm gonna put things on top. Okay, this chair repair thing, I don't need that. Even though it's light plastic. The rotor's gonna have to stay here. The cloth, this has got threads and everything. I don't know. Put it there with a copper. That's it for now. Okay. All right. I can't do much with I gotta put this back in the cabinet. Keep this. All right, can't do much with one hand. later. Okay, so I already opened the 2 holes for this clamp. I'm gonna hammer it in, and then I can go on the inside, and it should go a little bigger. It's inside the box, facing down, and look at the rust already, just the humidity, because the box is not wet. I want to take this home. Okay, so that one's in position. Then I'm going to get the other one, take these little bolts off, and I just mark them. I slam them with a hammer and mark them, and then I can go ahead and put them on the inside. I gotta do hole 4 because I'm gonna do 2 and 2. Okay, so right about there. Oh, there it goes in the water. All right, I gotta. You know, I should put this facing down so I know what I'm doing, but it is what it is. Okay, that thing's hot. Get the other 2 here. Let's see if it fits in the hole. I think I made this a little wider than it should have been. Okay. I gotta go to Home Depot and get another one, because this sucker's down in the water. Bring it in. Just to mark it. Just now I was going to cut this down here and remove this piece. This is like some sort of a door, and I say, you know what, it still works. Why mess it up? If I decide to take it off, maybe I'll put it up for sale and somebody could get it, because it looks like it belongs in a sailboat. Got little legs and everything, so that'll work. Except they don't come through. Oh, these are not long enough. This wood is very thick. They're not long enough. So shit. Nope. Not long enough. So the idea is good, but the parts are not right. I had a feeling about that. The tube is 1 inch. The wood is 1 inch. Actually, it's 1.5. So, I don't think they have their longer ones. I gotta check it. These things are all ripped out, so I don't think they're gonna accept them. All right, let me put these tools away. I think I wasted half an hour. Okay, so I managed to repackage them. Let's see if Home Depot takes them back. I have to put tape on one of them because I just couldn't use them. And I had a feeling when I looked at them, I'm going, they look a little short, but there was nothing else. And this is the only one that it was 1 1/8 inch wide to wrap around perfectly around the tubing. So not long enough. Then I thought about drilling a hole bigger, and then but you have to put the little plate across, and maybe I'll remove the plate and use them with a washer. Maybe I can save it that way. Whew, man, I picked the hottest day to come over here. Jesus Christ. It always happens. So I'm gonna have to bring that thing in here so I can work on it, and maybe I can save it because I hate to return things like that. Okay, so I got washers that I can use, and maybe I can do another MacGyver. It's beginning to look more like a Mickey Mouse. Okay, and I'll bring the box in here and drill because it's too hot out there. I got the fan going full blast, and that helps. And I wasn't supposed to be spending time doing that. I got other things. Where's my book? But this is not even on the book. Well, it's slow going. The battery is slow. It's weak, so I have to recharge it. But this is what I'm doing. I'm cutting it deep enough. Right now, it's just sitting on the very edge of the bolt, so I have to go a little deeper so the bolt can grab. So I gotta go down another quarter inch. It's about halfway down the thickness of the wood. It's 1.5. There's a great vacuum. This thing has an extension and everything. You pull it, look at this, and you can reach the floor. You can reach the floor. All right, so let's see now. Let's see now if we're gonna have the, I think we're almost there. Okay, right there, it's enough for the bolt to grab. Now let's see if we have enough for the tubing. The tubing is 1 inch exactly, and this is, no, it's 1 inch on the outside, so I need to go deeper. I need to go deeper on the hole so then I can reach the screws. All right, keep going. Okay, so I got it done. I just need the last one on the bottom there on the right. So it's all connected. So now I'm gonna grab it and put it outside. I gotta go get something to eat. It's already nighttime. Alright. So now I can't grab it by the handle because it's gonna be heavier. Let me see if it works. It's gonna work. Well, yeah. I'm gonna scratch this boat, man. Okay, let me go around. I painted the windows. I gotta give it another coat. That thing's gonna fall in the water. Better go get it. Ooh, it's right on the edge. Okay. Well, that's pretty sturdy. Okay, and then it's a little wet because I washed the boat. It needs another better wash back here, but I did it kind of in a hurry. It was getting dark, so it looks a lot better. But this is the difference between a painted bridge and a non-painted. See, you see streaks, dirt and grime that doesn't really come off. That comes out clean because this was painted, I don't know, 3 years ago. This is the original, so I gotta paint this whole bottom. What is that bag doing there? That's not mine. First time I seen it. Let me see. It's a birthday bag. Go. So, well, I can use it to take stuff to the boat, to the car. Which I got some tools that I gotta take. I don't like to see trash in the water. Alright. So yeah. Sucker's looking pretty good out there. Okay, I gotta take this to the car. My little sander, someone's dead, doesn't work. I'm taking this. Oh, I gotta take that tip off. Okay, so let me put this here. Yeah, you see the grime doesn't come off. So it needs a paint job. I bumped into the painter this afternoon, and we talked about getting the boat painted, the bottom. So he said, yeah, just got to get together and see where we're going to do it. All right, so let me get a jacket. It's kind of nippy, and get my keys and stuff. Go get a burger or something. All right, later.